Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today it's a different video. It's not a makeup video, it's a haul video. Those who know me closely, they know that I'm obsessed with lingerie. I invest in them a lot and it just builds up so much confidence in me wearing just the right kind of lingerie. The most important factor for me is the comfort. No matter how great a bra looks, if it's not comfortable, I'm not gonna buy it. So for me, the look, style and the comfort goes hand in hand. I got a lot of t-shirt bras because for me t-shirt bras are the most comfortable ones. They're very lightweight and they fit so well on your body. So the first one I'm going to show you is from Amante. This is a beautiful piece. Also, I got all my bras from Amazon because I find shopping from Amazon really easy. There are times when I just go to the store and buy it, but there's so much discount going on most of the times in Amazon that I end up buying a lot of stuff. I got a sports bra from Puma and it was on great discount. I'm going to show it to you later. This is a t-shirt bra and it just fits so well. It just looks so elegant. So it's got a nude base and a black mesh going on all over. The straps sit so well. They're so comfortable. They just don't bite on your skin because sometimes some bras can do that. This is a perfect date night kind of bra. I wore this straight for 10-11 hours one day and it was just so comfortable. I did not feel the need to adjust my bra, and this is how it looks from the inside. The next one is another favorite of mine. I always tend to go for black when it comes to lingerie. It's my favorite color. This is the next one. It just is such a gorgeous bra. I just love the shape of it. It's got this beautiful cut and it sits so well on your boobs. The strap is a little bit towards the thicker side and I love it because it's so comfortable. It might seem like a plain black bra, but trust me, when you put it on, it just looks so gorgeous and so glamorous. This is from Triumph and I love bras from Triumph. They're very comfortable. I would choose this if I go out for a brunch with my girlfriends or for a drink or anywhere with my girlfriends. This is what it looks on the inside. It's got a thick band, it's not thin, which does not prick you. And this band sits so well on the sides. Again, I've worn this for a number of times and not even for once I felt like adjusting it. All of them just sit so beautifully on your body. The next thing that we're all looking for is a comfortable thing to wear when we are at home, chilling, just reading something, watching TV. When I'm at home, most of the times I do not like wearing a bra, but sometimes I do. So ghar mein, especially if I'm wearing anything, I have to make sure that it's very comfortable. I love wearing these kinds of bras. This is from Jockey. It just lets your boobs breathe and it feels like you're just not wearing anything. Sometimes I just wear this and pair it with shorts and I just chill. This is the front. It looks great. It's got this V thing going on at the bottom. I love the color combination gray and black. Again, another black. I don't know, there's something about black. I just gravitate towards black. This is a great buy if you're chilling at home. Next one is this sports bra. Oh my god, I love this. This is from Triumph. Just look at the color combination. It's got blue, it's got off-white or a little bit grayish and orange. It's just so bright and just so colorful and it just motivates you to work out. This is my go-to on days when I don't feel like working out. I just put it on and nothing can stop me. This is a great workout piece. Those of you who love working out, can opt for it. Again, this piece has got both comfort and style, and I love sports bras with the front zip in it. It's just so easy to put it on. Another amazing thing about this one is that it's got a front clasp, so it's just very strong. Even if a little bit of the zip opens, your boobs are just not going to come out. The clasp is going to hold your boobs in place. This is definitely very safe to wear when you're working out. So when you're wearing this, you're not going to flash anything unless you want to. Last one is my absolute favorite amongst all of them. This is from Puma. This is such a beautiful piece. This is such a great workout piece. It's so edgy and it's fun at the same time. It just holds your boobs so nicely. It just fits so well. It's got a touch of black in it, it's got white and it's got a little bit of gray. The back is amazing. It looks so much fun. It's got a lot of back straps and it looks very nice. It just gives a strong hold to your body and the back has also got a clasp for stronger hold. How can you not feel like working out when you have these in your workout collection? So people who are lazy, they don't feel like working out, but they think that, oh my god, I have to work out, but how? I would definitely suggest you buy or invest in some great workout clothes. That's gonna motivate you because that's exactly what motivates me. Just buying good lingerie is not enough. You just have to take good care of it as well, because I've had past experiences where I tried washing it in my washing machine in delicate mode, but still the shape just got a little weird, and the hooks just they get stuck onto my different clothes and they end up ruining those clothes, which is a disaster. One of the things that I bought is the laundry mesh bag. They have different sizes. They've got this size, which is the biggest one. If you have lots of bras to wash, you can put it in this big bag. It just is so safe for your underwear, for your innerwear, and all things delicate. The next one is this size. If you've just 1-2 bras to wash, you can use this. You can wash your bottom wear, your panties in this one. This one's got socks in it, so you can wash socks or you can wash anything you feel like. These are great for traveling also. You can keep your bras safe in here so that they don't get squished with your other clothes. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed my recent haul. I keep buying bras, I keep buying lingeries. If you want to see more, you can just comment down below and I can show you some really sexy bras if you really want to see. Some from Hunky Mola, I've got some from Victoria's Secret. I have a huge collection. So if you want a video on that, you can just let me know in the comment section and I'll try and make one. I'll put the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. Also shop from Amazon because they're giving great huge discounts. If you don't like any of your purchase, you can always return it. Their return policy is super easy. And yeah, that's about it. I am going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.